Hi everyone, welcome back to GameMaker Cast. It's Mickey, and in this video tutorial I wanted to talk about local packages in GameMaker Studio. I haven't seen this video produced or really many people talking about this, but I really think it's something pretty awesome and I wanted to show you. So what I'm referring to is we can create, say, a group of scripts, or we can create an object that follows our player, and we can export this as a local package, and then when we create future games, all we have to do is import this package and we have all that code. No more copying and pasting. So what we're going to do is we have a project here called package test. So I'm just going to create a script, and I'm just going to say show debug message, and I'm going to say show the argument 0. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to name the script DD. And that's it. That's all I want to do. Now, what I want to do is I want to go up to Tools, and I want to say Create Local Package. And we get this kind of big, junky window here, but it lets us choose which things we want to put in. We also have some publisher details. And these really would be if you wanted to share it. So I could just say, you know, my publisher detail is GameMaker Cast. And what I want to show this one as, I'll just say debug console script. And that's really it. And what do I want to include in my package? So I only want this one script in here. So you can see I'm including it. And then when I say OK, I need a valid package display name and package ID. Well, I need this guy right here. So let's call this debug script. How's that? Let's see if that works. We'll say OK. Now it's going to ask me where I want to save this. I'm going to save it right here in this folder. So I'll just hit save. So I'll go ahead and I will minimize this guy, and you can see that now I have a blank project here. Now, how do I get that package into this project? Well, in the tools menu, all we need to do is say import local package, and we make sure that we're in the where we exported the package, and we can just say open. And you can see that now we have that script there. We can add it in and just say import, and now that script, exactly how we wrote it, is automatically in our game. So this means that if we have other packages, I can just close this guy and I could say, you know what, I want a tools, and I want to import this camera follow object. So I can go ahead, and you can see that all we have is an object camera. So I can import this automatically into my game, and right there, right off the bat, I have a easy camera that can follow. So what does this mean? So it means that you can create things like a platformer engine where you have the enemy jumping or wall sliding, and you can export that as a local package. And then whenever you make new games, because to be honest, we always are making new games, if you don't want to write all that code, you already have it. There's no more copying and pasting. All you have to do is take that file and just import it in as a package, and you're done. It's amazing. It's awesome. just wanted to show you guys that. And yeah, it's really cool. I would like to thank the following users for showing support through Patreon: Boren, Jean, Pierre, Paul, Pixel Giant, Victor, and Wayne. Thank you guys and girls so much for the support. It's really incredible. Thank you once again.